Jane, how was school today?
Mom, it was fun. I made a new friend.
That's nice. What's her name?
Her name is Cindy.
Is she new to your school?
Yeah, she's a new student. She moved here from Seattle, Washington.
You have an aunt who lives in Seattle.
I know. I like Seattle. It's beautiful there, but it rains too much.
Yeah, that's why we're staying in sunny California.
Cindy and I have a lot in common. We both like drawing, playing with dogs, and eating pizza.
You should invite her over for dinner one night.
Can we, Mom?
Sure, we can order pizza.
Maybe I'll ask her if she can come over on Friday.
Okay, let's invite her parents too. We can get to know them.
That's a good idea. They don't have any friends here yet.
Hi, are you new to the apartment building?
Yes, my name is Monica.
Nice to meet you, Monica. My name is Paul. I live on the 3rd floor, apartment number 305.
I live on the 4th floor in 405.
Hey, you live right above me.
That's funny. I hope I'm not too noisy. I've been moving furniture around.
That's okay. It doesn't bother me. Have you met any of the other neighbors?
I've met a few people. Everyone seems friendly here.
Yeah, every month we have a party on the rooftop. It's a potluck, so you can bring a dish to share.
That sounds fun. I love parties and potlucks.
Our next one is on Saturday at 5 p.m. You should come. I'm bringing my famous pasta salad.
Sounds delicious. I'll make a chocolate cake.
I love chocolate cake. I can't wait to try it.
Thanks for letting me know about the party.
There should be an invitation in your mailbox. Everyone gets one.
I better check the mailbox then. I still have so much unpacking to do.
Do you need help moving any more furniture?
No, my brother helped me last night. I'm done with the big items. I just need to unpack pots and pans and dishes now.
Okay, let me know if you need help. See you at the party.
Hi, Billy. How was your first day at a new school?
It was okay, Mom.
Did you make any new friends?
Yeah, a boy in my class.
Is he nice? What's his name?
He's cool. His name is Brian. He plays soccer.
You love soccer. You were on the soccer team at your old school.
Yeah, I miss my old team with Ted, Mark, and Richard.
I know you do. Do you want to invite Brian over to play one day?
Sure. He rides the school bus on our street.
Do you want to start riding the school bus too?
Yeah, then I can meet more of the neighborhood kids.
Okay, let's plan for you to ride the bus tomorrow morning.
Brian said the bus comes at 7:45.
Then you need to wake up at 7 o'clock.
I know. I'll set my alarm.
Hey, Joe, have you seen Sandy?
No, Bill. Why?
We had a misunderstanding, and she is not talking to me.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I said something silly and hurt her feelings.
What did you say?
It's not important. I don't want to discuss it. I just want to apologize to her.
She always hangs out at Linda's house or the library.
I've already checked both places.
How about her house?
Her roommate said she wasn't home.
Have you called her cell phone?
Yeah, several times.
She must really be mad at you.
She was. She stormed off, and I didn't get to explain what I meant.
I'm really curious now. What did you say to her?
I told her to exercise.
Well, that probably wasn't a smart thing to say to a woman.
I meant that she should exercise to stay healthy.
That sounds better. Hope you find her.
Hi, Sally. What are you doing here?
Hey, Susie. I need to buy my sister a new necklace. I accidentally lost her necklace, and she is really mad at me now.
But you said it was an accident.
Yeah, but I didn't ask if I could borrow it.
Oh, that's not good.
She wasn't home, and it looked nice with my outfit, so I wore it.
That's like stealing.
I know. I feel terrible. I was going to put it back when I got home.
How did you lose it?
I don't know. I was on my way home, and I noticed it was gone.
Was it an expensive necklace?
I don't know. I'm looking for a replacement here.
What does it look like?
It's a gold butterfly.
Like this one?
That's it. That's exactly like hers. How much is it?
The price tag says $100.
Wow, that's expensive. Now I see why she was really mad.
Are you going to buy it?
Yeah, that's all the money I have until my next paycheck.
Hey, Nancy, why do you look so worried?
Oh, hi, Betty. Christine and I had a big argument, and she has decided to move out.
What did you argue about?
I told her that she needs to help clean up around the apartment.
What happened after you told her that?
She got upset and said she's moving out, but it's the truth. She never helps around the house.
Yeah, that could be a problem.
I had to say something since we're roommates, and I'm tired of cleaning her mess.
I totally understand. I like things neat and organized, too.
But the bigger problem is that she never pays her rent on time. She is late every month.
What are you going to do?
I need to find a roommate soon. I can't afford the rent by myself. Do you know anyone looking for a roommate?
Yes, I do.
Who?
Me.
That would be awesome.
Hello? Hi, John. This is Stephen. What are you doing tonight?
Hey, Stephen. Nothing much. I don't have any plans yet.
Do you want to hang out?
Sure. What did you have in mind?
I don't know. It's Friday, and I'm bored.
Want to go to the movies?
Is there a good movie to see?
Let's check the internet.
Okay, let me log on to my computer.
Do you want to see a comedy or a drama?
Nothing sad or depressing. I had a hard work week. I want to see something funny.
I agree. Work was stressful for me, too.
There aren't any new comedies right now. I only see dramas and horror movies.
Yeah, that's all I see, too.
Hey, let's go to the comedy club. My favorite comedian is performing tonight at the local theater.
That sounds great. What time?
It starts at 7 p.m. Let's do dinner, too.
Good idea. I'll meet you at your house at 5 p.m.
See you tonight.
Hey, Carol. Are you done with your final exams?
Yes, Jane, I had my last one this morning. How about you?
Yeah, I got done an hour ago.
Do you want to celebrate?
Sure. What should we do?
I don't know. We should throw a party.
What if our friends are not done with exams?
Yeah, you're right. Do you want to go dancing?
I don't know how to dance.
You don't? It's easy. Just move your body to the music.
I look silly when I dance.
Me too. I don't care.
Let's do something else.
Okay. Do you have any ideas?
Do you want to go see a play?
That sounds boring. I want to do something active.
I think we have different ideas of fun.
Yeah. How about shopping? Do you want to go to the mall?
I love shopping. Let's do that. We can eat dinner there, too.
Great. Let's meet at the department store at 4 p.m.
Hello?
Hi, Linda. This is Stacy. Are you free tomorrow night?
No, I'm not. Why?
I'm inviting a couple of friends to sleep over.
I wish I could go, but I have to babysit my younger sister.
That's too bad. We were going to rent a movie and order pizza.
Now I really wish I could go. That sounds like so much fun.
Can your parents find another babysitter?
No, our regular babysitter got sick, so they asked me.
I see. What time will your parents be back?